Hello and welcome to another video of how to have fun during lockdown. This is Madroy alongside Chantal, and we're gonna play Jenga, and we're gonna see how far we build this to see who first gonna make it fall. That's how you play Jenga. So, and if we have 1,000 likes on this video, we're gonna give away $10 PayPal cash. And remember, you have to watch this video until the end and put a like to get $10 PayPal cash. Let's go. Me and Chantel playing this.
Okay, I'll go first.
Chantel is going first.
No, I go this one.
Ooh-wee. It's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. Oh, the one that come easy. Put it on. So now
You're gonna go from that one?
I'm taking this one. Ooh. Oh. No. Whoa. No splashy.
Ah! But we have to do this.
Why?
Because it was on this side.
That's nothing. We trying to not to make it fall on all costs. Remember, watch the video till the end. See who's gonna make it fall. Yeah? See if Chantel gonna make it fall. Or me, Madroy, gonna make it fall. Ah, she's using her hands. She's cheating on me.
No, I'm not.
Cheating. Supposed to only touch one thing. Ah, that one look easy to come out.
Yeah.
Supposed to only touch one thing, not everything. Here we go. Ah ha ha.
Yeah.
You got that one?
I think I'm gonna win. Whoa.
See, we're gonna build this up to the tallest. See, he's gonna make it fall.
Yeah. I'm definitely not.
But she said she's not gonna make it fall. I don't know. Whoa.
You took that one.
Whoa.
You're not supposed to touch anything.
No,
Everything.
no, not everything. Just walk through one in the fall. Oh, coming through. Yeah.
I almost
No
made it fall.
Let's go. Next one. Ah. She's gonna make it fall.
No. I don't know.
She's gonna make it fall. She's gonna make it fall.
No.
Haha. She don't know which one now. She's trying her best not to make it fall. Remember, 1,000 likes, win $10 PayPal cash.
Yeah.
she get one out.
I got this one.
Ah, that one nice. So, I'm gonna go to this one. Push on that side.
Okay.
Pull that side, and it's out.
Yeah. Boom. I'm trying my best to do it. I don't know.
Oh, shaky. Oh, she made it.
Blood died.
Shaky.
It was like.
Another easy one.
That's an easy one.
Another slightly easy.
There's a lot of holes in it.
Yeah. Don't hold the whole thing. Hold one piece of wood. Oh, shaky,
No,
yeah.
No.
Oh. Oh, she tries the easy one. She tried the easy one, eh? Now can. Take one from the bottom. Right off the bottom. Take one right off the bottom. Oh, shaky. It's gonna fall. Look at it. It's gonna fall. She's trying one from the bottom.
Never
too.
mind. I'm the one that did that.
No. And remember, if you like this video, to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notification. Get another one. Yep. Hit the bell icon to get notified when a new video is about to go.
Okay.
My turn now, man.
Yes.
Let's see.
Okay, what one are you gonna pick?
Oh, shaky, shaky.
You're gonna make it fall. Oh. Just putting them together. I go for this one. Never mind.
Yes. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Why are you holding two pieces? Oh, it's gonna fall.
It's only one.
Oh, it's only one.
Because it's the block I'm pushing.
Yeah, that's done.
Right. I win! I win! It go boom! I win!
No. Now we have to try again.
Oh, the video done.